We touch things every day: a cup of tea, a door, a cell phone, a computer keyboard, and so on. Each time we do, it is likely that we are leaving our unique signature behind it in the form of fingerprint. Yes, today we are going to discuss about the basics of fingerprint. Hello guys, this is Tushar Rajaram. Welcome back to Tushar's Online Forensics, and without any delay, let's get started our online forensic class. In this video, we are going to discuss about the history of fingerprint, what are fingerprints, anatomy of skin, fingerprint formation mechanism or how it is formed, and the last one is fundamental principles of fingerprint. This is the first part of fingerprint series because fingerprint is very vast topic. So we will discuss each topic in each video. That's why please stay tuned. History of fingerprints. On the basis of some evidences, 3000 years ago, Chinese were using the fingerprints for signing the legal documents. Many years ago, Bertillon and William Harshley, English civil servant, was working in India. They started the practice of requiring Indian citizens to sign the contract with the imprints of their right hand. In 1880, Foltz suggested that the skin-rich pattern is very much important for the identification of criminals. Francis Galton, he did the extensive research on fingerprint and published the first ever book on fingerprint in 1892 named as Fingerprint. The scientist was fascinated by the work of Francis Galton. Dr. von Vucetich, he created the first workable fingerprint classification system in 1891 and it is used by the most Spanish speaking countries. The classification system is used by the most English speaking countries including India, was created by Sir Edward Richard Henry and well known as Henry's classification system. Now, what are fingerprints? The impressions left behind when someone touches an object with their fingers. These impressions are left by palms too, that is called as palm prints, and if the impressions will left with the fingers, that is called as fingerprints. There are several types of fingerprints, like latent fingerprints means invisible fingerprints, visible fingerprints or patent fingerprints, plastic prints, etc. And this will be discussed in upcoming videos. Next, structure of skin. To know about the formation mechanism of fingerprint or how it is formed, we should understand the structure of skin. The skin is made up of layers of cells, which are two layers, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is called as epidermis and inner layer is called as dermis. These two layers are separated by a boundary. This shape of the boundary is called as dermal papillae. The dermal papillae is responsible to determine the form and the pattern of ridges on the surface of skin. The dermal papillae is developed in the fetus. Once it developed, it does not change throughout the life. We are continuously talking about ridge, friction ridge skin and ridge characteristics. What is this friction ridge skin? The friction ridge skin is the raised part on the surface of palms and fingers and the surface of feet. This is a type of thickened skin. This friction ridge skin is for gripping the surface and to facilitate the enhanced sense of touch. As it named friction ridge skin, it has the ridge appearance separated with furrows. Now, ridge characteristics. The individuality of fingerprint does not determine by the pattern or the shape of it, but the careful study of ridge characteristics, which is also known as minutiae. To establish the origin of two fingerprints, the ridge characteristics like ridge ending, bifurcation, enclosure and other ridge characteristics must match. As of now, we have understood about the structure of skin, the friction-rich skin, and the significance behind studying structure of skin. Now we are coming to the important and most interesting part, that is how fingerprint formed. Each ridge consists of rows of pores that are opening for the ducts coming from the sweat glands. The perspiration is deposited and discharged on the surface of skin through these pores. Once we touch the surface, the perspiration along with the oil that have been picked up by touching the other hairy portion of body, it transferred to the surface, thereby leaving the ridge pattern that is called as fingerprint. Now coming to the last part of this video, that is fundamental principles of fingerprints. The first principle is the fingerprint is an individual characteristics. Till now, no two fingerprints have found identical ridge characteristics. Second principle, fingerprints remains unchanged throughout the individual's lifetime. And the third principle is fingerprints have the general ridge patterns which are systematically classified into the categories. These three principles will be explained one by one in the upcoming videos. Please press the like button and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.